The gas prices are skyrocketing. The news everybody already seems to know is that gas prices are headed up. This weekend, March 5th, the national average price for a gallon of gasoline went above $4 a gallon in the US for only the second time ever. The last time this happened was in 2008. Hey everyone! It's Daniel here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to save money on gas no matter what the price is. So stay tuned because this is something you're not going to want to miss. Before starting, let's do two main questions about it. Why are gas prices going up? There are a few factors contributing to the increase, but the main reasons are the rise of inflation and the Russian invasion of Ukraine. When might gas prices start to come back down? Exactly how long gas prices will stay elevated is impossible to predict. But we do have a few indicators that suggest drivers will need to dig in for the long haul. Because of this, I decided to produce a definitive video with 15 gas-saving ideas for app-gig workers like Instacart, DoorDash, and Uber that would help us, drivers, save money. So, let's do the tips and learn how to do that. The measures you may take to decrease fuel use and overall driving costs fall into two categories: driving and gasoline purchasing habits, as well as vehicle-related activities. Surprisingly minor modifications to your driving habits might have a huge impact on your overall gasoline bill. Number 15. Use a gas finding app to help you save money. Gasoline prices can vary significantly over short distances, especially in border areas. Every motorist, particularly those who frequently travel county and state lines, needs a fuel finder software that provides real-time best gasoline pricing. The most dependable gas finding app is GasBuddy. It has accurate, near real-time pricing information for tens of thousands of US gas stations and a convenient internal payment system that can save users up to 20 cents per gallon on the standard plan. GasBuddy offers several plans for drivers who want to drive more miles than the base plan allows. If you're a heavy driver, you may be eligible for GasBuddy Premium, which costs $99 per year and promises up to 40 cents per gallon in savings. For additional information, check the GasBuddy link on the video description. Number 14. Always use a gas credit card to pay for your gas. If you don't have one, get a gas credit card. It's a reward credit card that earns money or points on every purchase made at the gas station. Make it a habit to utilize it each time you fill up. Consumers with excellent or good credit may purchase these perennials every year. The Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express, which earns 3% cashback on all eligible US gas station purchases. The Wells Fargo Propel American Express Card, which also earns a 3% effective rate of return on eligible gas station purchases. The Citi Premier Card, yet another card that earns a 3% effective return on eligible gas purchases. If you're a member of a warehouse club like Costco, apply for the Citi Costco Anywhere Visa Card, which is a strong rewards card only available to Costco members. The first $7,000 in eligible gasoline purchases earn 4% cashback. It's paid as Costco store credit that it's enough for most drivers. If you like a particular gas station family, join its rewards program and apply for a store credit card that gives fuel discounts at the pump or tangible rewards that you can use later. Instant savings from these reward programs may be more cost-effective than general petrol credit card perks. Number 13. Choose the most efficient path to your destination. Acceleration uses more gas than coasting or cruising. As a result, the most fuel-efficient route to your destination isn't necessarily the quickest. It's the route with the fewest starts, stops, and red lights, as well as less traffic congestion, slower traffic flow, or improved overall traffic flow. Use a navigation program that uses real-time traffic data, such as Waze, or displays stoplights and other traffic control measures, such as Apple Maps or Google Maps, to locate your route. Before we go on, if you're enjoying and like videos like that, you've come to the ideal place. Don't forget subscribe to receive more content related. Now let's come back to tips. Number 12. Start and stop gradually. Even the most cost-effective itinerary includes delays and halts. To minimize the effects of these stops and starts on your fuel economy and price, do them as softly as possible. To a complete stop, accelerate slowly and coast gently. Make sure you don't test your car's 0 to 60 performance at every traffic light change and don't habitually floor the accelerator until you absolutely have to apply the brakes. According to the Gas Price Today website, Defensive driving techniques such as maintaining a set speed and following the rules of the road can help you save up to 40% in stop and go traffic and up to 30% on the highway. Number 11. Keep an eye on the speed limit. Vehicles can save gasoline at various speeds, but as speed increases, fuel efficiency drops drastically. According to fueleconomy.gov, above 50 miles per hour, gas efficiency begins to deteriorate rapidly. Assume the threshold is set at 5 miles per hour above that limit, and each 5 miles per hour increase equals a 32 cents to 64 cents per gallon penalty, assuming a per gallon price of $4.50. Although it is not possible to drive at exactly 50 miles per hour on the highway, it is possible to do so off the main road. The best you can hope for is to drive in the slowest lane at the speed of traffic. In a 75 or 80 mile per hour zone, that usually means following the posted speed limit. In any event, don't squander gasoline by going above the limit. Also, use the cruise control to keep a consistent speed and obey the law. Cruise control is often kinder than human driving, allowing for less fuel consumption via slower acceleration and deceleration. Number 10. Reduce idling time. When a car is left unused, it loses all of its fuel efficiency. Avoid driving your car's gasoline engine when it's parked or waiting. I understand that in the winter season, we are accustomed to waiting in a parking lot for orders, and it is typical to remain inside the car. Given the present scenario, if I were you, I'd look for another warm location to wait. However, in certain circumstances, such as warming up a car on a cold morning or de-icing it, idling is unavoidable. You don't have to wait 30 minutes before getting into your vehicle. In reality, you don't need to warm up gasoline-powered automobiles, those built since the mid-1990s, for the sake of the engine, according to Cars.com. Leave your car idling for only as long as is required to attain a pleasant inside temperature. Alternatively, keep your coat on and depart immediately after starting the engine. Number 9. Keep the windows up when the weather allows. You may not notice the difference at first, but keeping your car's windows up enhances its aerodynamic performance and lowers its fuel consumption. If you miss the wind in your hair, imagine coins rushing by your head into the hand of a gas station attendant. Number 8. Don't wait until your tank is nearly empty to fill it up. If you wait until your tank is nearly empty to fill up, you'll have to accept a higher per gallon price at the first station you see. Once my tank is 3/4 empty, I intend to fill it up at the first low-cost station I find. In my experience, that's typically the nearest Costco gas station, where prices are consistently 10 cents to 15 cents lower per gallon than in other locations near me. When I travel further afield, I utilize GasBuddy. Number 7. Avoid gas stations that are known to demand a higher price. The ones you're thinking about. Their boards advertise per gallon charges that are 10 cents, 20 cents, or even 30 cents higher than those a mile or two away down the road, as usual. These premium stations are aware that they may demand more, whether because of a strategic location in a high-income area or because they're the only station for miles around. Avoiding these costly stations is in your best financial interest. Number 6. Reduce air conditioner use or set the eco setting. According to fueleconomy.gov, using your automobile's air conditioner might reduce fuel efficiency by as much as 25%. In extremely hot weather, on short errands, and in hybrid electric cars, this is especially true. On nice days, turn off the air conditioner completely and use only the coolest non-AC blower speed. If you can't go without air conditioning for extended periods of time, set your AC to the lowest comfortable setting or utilize your car's Eco AC option if it has one. Number 5. Choosing and maintaining your car or your vehicle has the most impact on your overall gasoline expense. All things being equal, buying a more fuel-efficient automobile can lower your gas expenses. In the meantime, you may improve your existing vehicle's fuel efficiency by doing simple maintenance. Number 4. Make sure your tires are properly inflated. According to fueleconomy.gov, tires inflated to the vehicle manufacturer's recommended tire pressure can increase gas mileage by 0.6% on average and up to 3% in some instances. A 0.2% decrease in fuel efficiency is associated with each pound per square inch drop in pressure below the suggested level. Your vehicle's manufacturer should provide the recommended pressure in your owner's handbook. Number 3. Use the right motor oil and fuel grade. Simply using the motor oil blend recommended by your car's manufacturer, found in your owner's handbook, can improve fuel efficiency. Changing to a more fuel-efficient motor oil type at your next service is another good idea. According to Chemical and Engineering News, replacing 10 watts minus 40 engine oil with 0 watts minus 20 can improve fuel efficiency by up to 3%. Don't fill up with premium gas if your automobile's manufacturer doesn't urge you to do so. If your vehicle is designed for regular unleaded, stick with it. Number 2. Check your gas cap seal. If you have an older automobile, the gas cap seal might deteriorate and allow oxygen to enter the gas tank, causing it to burn more gasoline in the process. You may only realize, or suspect, that something is wrong when your fuel efficiency begins to decline. Fortunately, gas caps are inexpensive, with the most popular ones costing less than $20 at big box stores and even on Amazon. Unfortunately, many vehicle gas cap sensors do not recognize non-original manufacturer or authorized supplier gas caps. If you don't want your gas cap light on all the time, you'll need to go to a dealership to get a new one. You'll pay more for it, about $90 according to Repair Pal. Number 1. Follow the maintenance schedule recommended for your automobile. Proper vehicle maintenance can boost vehicle fuel efficiency and reduce harmful pollutants. It's vital to maintain your car's oxygen sensor in good working order. According to fueleconomy.gov, a faulty sensor may reduce fuel efficiency by up to 40%. Furthermore, replacing your air filter and spark plugs might improve the efficiency of your engine by lowering harmful carbon deposits. According to Fixed, replacing an air filter is a simple do-it-yourself auto maintenance project that should set you back no more than $40 if done on your own. Spark plugs are a little more difficult to replace, but it's still doable with just a few tools and basic hand skills. According to Family Handyman, replacing spark plugs is a bit more challenging but not impossible. Kelley Blue Book predicts that professional replacement will cost at least $100. Keeping your engine tuned, as recommended by the manufacturer, can boost fuel efficiency by 4%. Final word. None of these methods demand a significant shift in lifestyle or much sacrifice. There are several more strategies to cut your automobile expenses or even generate money using it after you've decreased your gasoline expenditure. To save money on car insurance, fiddle with your deductible and reported miles. Take advantage of reduced gasoline and bulk tire pricing by becoming a member of a warehouse club like Sam's Club or Costco. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any additional suggestions for saving gas or another method to save money, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you liked it. I'll be releasing new videos every week, so make sure to check back often. And as always, feel free to leave comments and questions.